So we're looking at Lament for a Good King from bar 36 through to the end. Now, the little section from bar 36 is exactly the same as what happened at bar 17 onwards, except that now when we're playing it this time, it's an octave lower than it was before. So it's going to start on the F above middle C. So I'm not going to give you a big tutorial on this because you can just look at the one for bar 17. And if you've already learnt that bit, this is going to be really straightforward for you. But I'll just play it for you. Okay. Now the next bit is a bit new and a bit more tricky. So we're going to put our thumb, so left-hand thumb, on the F below middle C. Second finger goes next door on E, miss a string, tuck your third finger out the way and put your fourth finger on the C. Okay, now I'm just going to play it without the rhythm initially, just so you can see the placing. So we play the thumb, we play the second finger, and then we put, before we play the fourth finger, our third finger goes on E, second finger goes on F, miss a string, thumb goes on A, and then we play up from the bottom. And before we play the thumb, second finger goes on G, and fourth finger again goes down to C. So you're going to tuck your third finger out of the way. And then we play down from the top. And then we end with 2 C's with our second finger. Now, it's to be played with the left hand, but I'm going to show you with the right hand because you might be able to see the placing a bit better. So again, this isn't the correct rhythm necessarily, it's just to show you the placing. So thumb on the F below middle C, second finger next door, tuck your third finger out the way, fourth finger goes down to C. So you've got an empty string, the D string is empty. So we play the thumb, play the second finger. Before we play the fourth finger, third finger goes to E, second finger goes to A, and second finger goes to F, and thumb goes to A. Then we play up from the bottom. And then before we play the thumb, second finger and fourth finger place on G and C, and then we play down from the top. Okay, so now I'm going to play it for you again and put the rhythm in. Okay.